We'll see. You know it's gonna be very hard, and I think he's the best player in the world. But we'll see. You know.
I think there's been a great debate over the last few years with him and Messi. But I think over the last 6 months, I think he's gone on to another level.
Debate.
I'm Messi. Say something.
For me, it's Messi.
You're Messi.
I am Messi because I told you.
The last 2 years.
What, the last 2 years, Messi?
In years to come, when we've been fortunate enough to be able to watch these two at the height of their powers for a long time now, and I think that in years to come, the way Ronaldo's been in the last year, whatever, he'll probably pinch it. He'll probably get the vote over Messi for me.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Never think I'm like Messi, never.
Yeah?
It's too high for me.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
That's one check.
We know how good he is. It's like we're not going to hide away from that. He's the best player in the world.
Ronaldo versus Messi. Who's better?
Messi.
Ooh, that was quick.
Yeah.
And you played with Ronaldo too.
Cristiano Ronaldo is, for me, the best player in the world.
Both of them. Both of them. They are really great players. And now depend on tastes, who likes more this or that.
He's the best. You think he's the best? You think he's the best ever?
He's the best I've grown up and seen him playing live. When him and Rooney was at the best, it was, do you know what I mean? Everyone wanted to be like them.
Are you the best footballer in the world right now?
I think so, yes. In my mind, I'm always the best.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Messi.
You are playing football, you want to play against the best team in the world, against the best player in the world. Messi is the best player in the world.
Ce sera la fin quand il y a quelqu'un qui fera mieux. Personne ne fait mieux pour l'instant. Prends le joueur à l'état pur, il n'y a pas meilleur encore. Encore cette année, c'était les meilleurs, les deux meilleurs. Messi finit meilleur buteur européen, Ronaldo meilleur buteur de la Champions League, donc non.
Don't want to talk about the other five. Messi would be, for me, the player I saw would be number one, 100%. That's me. We have to say that Cristiano Ronaldo is for sure in that as well, and all the rest. There are a lot of good players around there, but that's my ranking. Leon is for me the best.
For me, he's the best. Not just now, but in the entire history. Ronaldo is also great, but Messi is another level.
Let's talk about today. Who is the best player today?
Today, I think it's no doubt is Messi.
Messi of Ronaldo? Ja, ga ik toch voor Messi. Ja, duidelijk Messi.
Yeah, I mean, Ronaldo and Messi are the standouts. It's not a difficult answer, is it, for those two? But I think Messi, for his individual ability, when we played him when he was at the top, I mean, you can't get near him when he's at his best. And special player. For me, he's the best of all time. Certainly the best.
I mean, the people say, right, who's the best player now? And plenty of people quite rightly say Messi. You can't dispute that opinion. But you know about Ronaldo? Ronaldo could play for Millwall, Queen's Park Rangers, anyone. Doncaster Rovers and score a hat-trick in a game. I'm not sure Messi could do it.
One word though, Messi or Ronaldo? One word. One word.
Messi. If I was a manager, I would want to take Ronaldo. I think that's the best way to sum it up.
Jugador del mundo para vos.
Messi. Siempre Messi.